In this video I will show you how to get backup codes on Instagram. Let's look why we need backup codes. Backup codes on Instagram let you access your account if your phone or authenticator app is not available for two-factor authentication and you still need to log in to Instagram. For this, go and open Instagram on your phone. Click on profile icon at bottom right corner. Next, click on three bars at top. Next, click on Account Center. Next, click on Password and Security. Next, tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Then select your Instagram profile. Next, tab on Additional Methods. Next, tab on Backup Codes. This is your backup codes. It will give you 5 backup codes which you can use to log in if you do not have access to your phone. You can generate new codes if all have been used by selecting Get New Codes. Note that each backup code can be used only once. When logging into Instagram and prompted for the 2FA code, use one of your backup codes instead of the authentication app or SMS code. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.